Hello to all of my car guru shoppers out there. Hopefully your car shopping experience has been a great one so far. I am your mobility master, Corey Way, right here at Bellamy Strickland, Chevrolet Buick GMC right here in McDonough, Georgia. And today we're going to highlight a 2016 Kia Sedona minivan. This one here is the LX trim level, blue with the titanium gray cloth interior. Got 105,000 miles on it, and with a clean history, clean Carfax. So we're gonna take a look at her briefly, and hopefully she'll put an end to your shopping. So, if you're looking to start a business or just move some things around the house or accommodate family, she's very spacious, very spacious. So let's dive right on in. So this vehicle has been fully serviced over in our service department, and she's ready to go. It's a 3.3. Oh, there we go. This is a 3.3 V6 engine. Okay, gives you about 25 miles per gallon on the highway. So it's just not a gas guzzling vehicle. But like I said, she's fully serviced, clean Carfax, 3.3 V6. Just looking for the right owner. A good tread on those tires. I mean, those tires look actually brand new. So a lot of good depth on those tires. And also these are alloy wheels. The alloy wheels look fabulous as well. They're not scuffed, they're not scraped. So 4 tires are looks great, and the alloy wheels look fabulous. Now let's see here on the driver's side. Yeah, you got a few little nicks here and there, a few little dings there, a few little cosmetic little scratches, but this vehicle is mechanically sound. Everything works, AC, heat. So let's see here. Of course, power lock windows, real clean cloth interior. No rips, no tears in the cloth, and no smoke smell either. So most important. 105,238 miles. As you can see, you do have the backup camera there. That's a good safety feature when you're backing up. AM, FM radio, XM radio here as well. Here's your climate control for your front passengers, rear passengers at the bottom there. These are cloth heated seats with the rear park assist that makes the beeping noise as you're backing up. That works in conjunction with the backup camera. Okay. All right, so USB port to charge any external devices, and you have a lot of little storage compartments throughout the vehicle, in the front, in the back, and these are power sliding doors. Okay. Bluetooth, does have Bluetooth and cruise control. Let's see, we're gonna tap that. And you just pull this up on the rail for your passengers can gain access to that third row seat there. So a lot of space here in this van here. Now I'm not sure if looks like something was supposed to be here, some type of middle console, but I don't see it there. So these rails are exposed. So I think the previous owners, they traded the vehicle in this way. So, but real clean interior there. Cup holders for your rear passengers there. Storage compartment down at the bottom. All right. Tap that a little bit. Make our way to the back. So you get 2 power sliding doors to the left and to the right, but the tailgate, you have to manually lift it up. So it's not a power lift gate. That kind of caught me off guard. Since I was thinking, since the power sliding doors are there, you would put the power lift gate, but I guess not. Here's your stow and go seating here with these seats. Well, these are the mats back here. I guess they put them back here, but these 2 seats drop completely flat down here on the floor. So this van will open up even more for you as far as with space. And to the left, there's your jack, your crowbar, everything's in place. All right, same with the passenger side. You got a few little scratches here and there. A few little scuffs right there, but pull that slightly. Like I said, this van is it's a good find, good investment. Just do me over kind of a passenger side view here of the van. And we'll push that button there. All right, so 2016 Kia Sedona. This one here has around 105,000 miles. Blue, titanium gray interior, nice alloys, good tread of the tires, clean inside. Everything works, and you know, she got a lot to get up and go. So I can see the video, Carfax, any other information you need, and hopefully it's enough to allow you to come check it out. Okay, so I thank you kindly for your time, and thanks for watching.